Welcome to Internet Marketing Academy. Learn internet marketing and grow your business with KOKOSHUNGSAN. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. If you like it, please like, share it, and leave comments. Thanks for your support and for helping us make the world a better place. Opportunists and entrepreneurs everywhere have been looking for new and original ways to prize money away from big industries and earn their own share of the internet revolution. However, with the potential for new and exciting online ventures seemingly depleted by the range of industries and businesses that have already been created. However, there is one industry that is already in existence, creating large volume of money for people everywhere, which is constantly growing and is always in need of extra people, and that is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing programs work by rewarding website owners for choosing to host a variety of advertising materials on their sites. The affiliates are paid on a commission basis. Neither party pays any money to one another in the initial transaction. Affiliates are instead paid as in when they attract a new customer to the primary site. The affiliate marketing program is one of the most succinct and successful online advertising opportunities. It is a program that runs on efficiency and simplicity, but in a way that works incredibly well for both parties. Industries and internal sectors have thrived thanks in part to their involvement in an affiliate program. The affiliate marketing industry is a cost-effective way for small and large companies alike to reach out and expand their zone of influence. Online sports betting is a form of gaming that has been revolutionized since being introduced to the unrestricted realm of the internet. By infiltrating a large number of sites, the banners have attracted the attention of literally thousands of people. On the other hand, the affiliate industry is a thriving source of income for millions. In the world of sports betting, affiliates have been reaping the rewards of the huge financial success and popularity of the industry. Individual affiliates can earn anywhere up to 35% of the money generated by each of the players that they introduce. With this revenue lasting for the entire lifetime of a players on the site, then an affiliate has almost unlimited earning potential, akin to that of the industry whom they represent. With the two industries working in perfect harmony, each helping the other in order to generate extra custom and revenue, the sports betting affiliate program has become an industry to be reckoned with. Unlike most of the other online industries, there are no specific personal requirements to become an affiliate either. All that is needed is a website and the will to host and advertise a secondary site. There are no tricks and no strings attached, which is why so many industries and individuals alike have flocked to sign up to the amazing opportunities created by affiliate marketing. KOKOSHUNGSAN.UK provide multi-tier, a multi-level affiliate tracking with up to 5 tiers. With the multi-tier affiliate tracking system, not only are you rewarded, you also get rewarded for encouraging other affiliates to join the affiliate program. We hope you will achieve your objectives. All the best to you. KOKOSHUNGSAN pays you to have fun. KOKOSHUNGSAN.net